Right, as promised, this is the villa review. So that's the gate. You can bring a car in if you want. I wouldn't. You just park it outside. Okay, you get 2 sunbeds, table. That leads, I think it leads to where the water pump is. When we get inside, well, area. There's a nice big rock. There's an outside table. Before, umbrella. And over there is a cooking range. And it's actually got stuff there.
A barbecue.
Yeah, it's a barbecue. But we've not used it, mainly because the weather really hasn't been good. They've left us some briquettes and all the mod cons that are out there, but unfortunately, it's not been good. Would you like to go in, my dear? So this is the main room, as you can see. Well, excellent decor. Can't knock it. The TV as well is good because I can connect my laptop to it. Some kind person has left their YouTube password on, so we could actually watch some of the YouTube stuff instead of watching it on the laptop. So there's a desk. It's where we keep the laptop normally, all the bits and pieces. They left us a bottle of wine, bottle of water, and they left us a really nice message. So this is the combined fridge freezer. It's massive. If I stand there.
So as you can see, you've got plenty.
So that's, there's plenty of space in there. And
same freezer. So if you're here for
lovely freezer,
a couple of weeks, you've got plenty of storage.
Oh, yeah.
You've got cleaning.
If you're here for a couple of weeks, then you've got
iron, peg, ironing board, beach umbrella, mop.
You can't knock the amount of cupboard space.
So in there, you've got a juicer. You've got a Casimo, a coffee pot, plenty of glasses, microwave, plates, cups are in here. There is more, but I've just put the dishwasher on.
Yeah.
Got an old coffee pot up there, but this actually moves around, but there's nothing in it, so it's like a.
If you push it in and then turn, look at that.
So it gives you've got more room if you need it. You've also got a roundy one in here, which has got frying pans in, so you've got 3 frying pans. In here, you've got all your other pans. So you've got plenty. There's plenty of stuff. You can't say you're short.
Yeah. Washing machine.
You've got a washing machine. You've got a dishwasher, which is on obviously under the sink.
All your knives and forks.
Yeah, knives and forks are in the drawers. Then you've got a fully working conventional oven and a hob, and your fan. And again, you've got more cupboard space. So you can't grumble at what the amenities have left you. You've got a nice dining table. Normally, I don't like dining tables, but in here it works.
Yeah. A couple of side tables as well. Yeah.
And then you've got a bedroom here. So you've got a nice big double bed, plenty of room for your clothes and stuff.
Yeah.
So you don't want to look at my clothes. You've got drawers here if you need them.
Yeah.
There are fans.
There are fans.
There are fans in the rooms if you need them. But it's not been warm enough for us to have put those on.
So, quick look at the bathroom.
again, everything you need.
Amazing.
Apologies for the towels, I am drying them. My only comment would be when you're having a shower is the water doesn't drain very quickly, so it ends up spilling onto the floor. But, you know, if you just want a quick dip, crack on.
Yeah, unfortunately, if you want to stand in there for 10 minutes, then
the rest of the floor will be wet.
It's definitely.
And with it being a basement flat, you do get occasionally the smell of that still water, especially if you're putting the dishwasher on or anything like that. But it goes.
So this is quirky, really quirky.
It's just to let in some more light.
You look up, and I would imagine the people upstairs can overlook into here. Yeah. This opens.
All the windows open. So in the summer, if it's really hot, you're going to get loads of draft.
And this is the room that I'm using.
So again, ample size.
You know, there's enough.
And the beds are really comfy.
Yeah, I have to laugh at the amount of storage space you've got.
It's like we likened it to probably being a granny flat at some point.
Yeah.
Again, you've got wardrobe space here. You've absolutely loads of room.
Again, you've got heaters and that. If it's cold, blankets, we've got plenty of blankets.
Yeah, they've provided blankets, which, you know, we've used overnight sometimes because it has been a bit chilly.
And I've never known a place to have so many sockets.
Yeah, so there's sockets everywhere.
Well, I've managed to find 3. Is there another one down there?
I think there's another one at that side.
There's none down there. There's 2 there. There's 1 there. So there's 3 sockets in this room normally.
I would point out there is a little bit of damp.
Yeah, which
in a couple of places.
Which is weird because it doesn't look like it's an outside wall, so I can't work that one out. The only thing was, it was either Monday or Tuesday night. It was really windy and it was like hammering down, and those windows were slightly rattling, but too bad.
Wait, do the garden, the sun's come out.
Yeah. And as I said, I've never known property to have so many electrical points. So you've got 3 there. You've got 3 there. You've got 2 there and 2 there. I think there's one right behind Max.
Yeah.
Really weird. But
well, that's where you'd have your fan, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah. Max booked this through booking.com?
Yes, I did.
And we're here for 7 nights. 7 nights or 8 nights?
8.
8 nights. So we flew out last Saturday.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 8 nights.
Yeah, and we fly back on Sunday.
So we fly back tomorrow.
Yeah. How much?
It was just under £850.
You can't knock that.
Actually, that was €850, so it's less than
that. Yeah. As I said,
we've had a couple of issues with the electricity going off, but literally you just call them and within 5 minutes they send somebody around to reboot it.
Yeah, because it went off about 8 o'clock last night. We were sitting watching TV. Thought we'd have a chill night in because we did a bit of walking yesterday. Not a lot, no vlogging. Well, a little bit of vlogging, but no. But anyway, we highly recommend it. If you love doing booking.com, go and have a look. Max will tell you where it is. If we find it, I might actually try and put it in the description. And the sun's come out. We're going to do something totally different again today. So we might end up in the marina. I haven't decided yet. Okay, but we're going to approach it from the other side. And I think it's somewhere where I've walked part of the way too, but we've never, ever gone that way. Got a car, we'll drive there. And it's not too windy. Right, that's the end of the villa review.